If you've ever wondered how to see your MSN comments, this video is going to walk you through it step by step in the simplest way possible. Whether you're trying to turn comments on, find the comment option on MSN Articles, or make sure your feed settings are enabled correctly, I'll show you exactly what to do. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to msn.com in your browser. Once the MSN homepage loads, look for the personalized option with the star next to it. This is where MSN keeps a lot of your feed and content preferences. Click on that personalized option to open the settings window. After the window appears, look toward the bottom left side. You should see an option called Content Settings. Click on Content Settings to open the feed preferences. Now, you're in the area where MSN controls what shows up in your feed and how articles behave. Under the Feed section tab, look for the Comments setting. Here, you should see an option that says Show comments in my feed and article pages. This is the key setting you need. Turn that option on so MSN will allow comments to appear when you view supported articles. Once that setting is enabled, go back to MSN and open any article you want to check. After the page loads, you should now see the comment option available on the article page. That means your MSN comments are now visible, and you can interact with the comment section when it's supported. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page or try another article to confirm the setting has been applied. And that's it. You've now learned how to see your MSN comments by enabling the correct content settings. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you want more quick tutorials like this one.